A kernel security check failure is a type of blue screen error. If it happens on your PC, Windows will automatically restart your computer. To fix this issue, it helps to know the common causes. These include outdated or corrupted drivers, malware, hardware problems, corrupted system files, and faulty Windows updates. If you want to prevent this issue from happening again, follow these steps. First, update your drivers. Press the Windows key plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the category of the device whose driver you want to update. Right-click the device and choose Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers, then follow the on-screen instructions. Next, scan your computer for malware. Open your antivirus program and click the Start Scan button. The antivirus software will check your computer for malware and remove any threats it finds. You can also run the System File Checker tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. The System File Checker tool will scan your computer for corrupted system files. If it finds any damaged files, it will automatically repair them. If you are still getting kernel security check errors on your PC, you can try resetting Windows. In Windows Search, type Reset this PC and open it. You will see an option called Reset PC. Click on it and follow the instructions. This will restore Windows to its factory default setting.